Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef enchiladas with flour tortillas. First, gather your ingredients like 1 pound of ground beef, 8 flour tortillas, and 1 can of enchilada sauce. Next, you'll brown the beef and prepare a simple sauce. Then, we'll assemble and bake these delicious enchiladas for a quick and satisfying meal. It's an easy method perfect for any weeknight. To start, brown 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet over medium heat. Once cooked through, drain any excess fat from the pan. Next, stir in about 1 cup of your preferred enchilada sauce with the beef. Finally, mix in a ½ cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. This creates a rich and flavorful filling for your enchiladas. Now, let's assemble. Warm 8 flour tortillas slightly in the microwave for about 30 seconds to make them more pliable. Spoon approximately 1/4 cup of the beef and cheese mixture down the center of each tortilla. Roll each tortilla tightly and place it seam down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Repeat this process until all 8 enchiladas are rolled and arranged. To finish, pour the remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the rolled tortillas in the baking dish. Then, generously sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheese over the top. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let them cool slightly before serving and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.